Hello guys, do you want to earn money just by sleeping? I mean, you have to nothing do. You will be just install this application and then you will automatically earn some passive income. It's not a huge amount, but a small amount of money, and it's not small. It's based on the country. Like in the US, if you are living, then monthly you will get free $10. So it's not a bad earning, right? So how actually it does works? You can see the bright data. This is the company that's actually make the applications for the EarnApp. So this application, what it does, you will be just install this application and then it will be run in the background. Like this is, you can see I run in the background, and after that it will be used your small bandwidth uses. That's mean you have the Wi-Fi connection connected, and sometimes like it will be just use simple some internet, unused internet, like you didn't use, so that's internet they will be used. And for bandwidth users, for example, 1 GB data they gathered, then you will earn maybe 1 cent. uh Not, sorry, not 1 cent, it's $1. Okay, I think this kind of, so it's a based on country, it's different, but this is something way that it's how it's work. And even you can see how much trusted it is. It's the EarnApp, the Trustpilot. It's 4.2 rating. Like you can see some reviews. It's a verified reviews. I have been using EarnApp for almost 5 months now. I think since then I have already made one withdrawal and earn it about $20. So it's not a bad, because you are using 24 hours your computer or a mobile applications. Sorry, a mobiles or desktop, whatever. I mean, if you have multiple device, multiple network connections, then just install theirs and then you will automatically earn some money. You have to actually nothing to do. So it's free money, passive income. So you can actually do it. Like I was installed it and then I can see I earn it this. And for withdrawal options, it's have the PayPal, Amazon gift card, and the Wise. So it's very flexible. Like the Wise almost support global, and the PayPal, this is many countries support and not support, but the Wise actually support it. So you can actually make it auto redeem also. So it's really great application. That's how I see. Also, you have some offers, then you can complete. For example, if you have mobiles and then maybe that's mobile uses any children, then you can use that applications for like this is download. If suppose you have child and this application downloaded, he played some games, he level this reach, and then the user, the account owner, I mean this, you can earn that money. So different tasks actually have, so you can complete these things and then earn it. I just saw it and like it's really great in my experience, because bright data is the most trusted a company who actually use unused internet for their services, like the proxy system. So it's really great. So it's very trusted. You can try to install it. You can find the link below in my description, so just download it and you will earn money. I mean, it's really a good passive income. Well, you are nothing to do, I mean nothing. Okay, you can see it's a many good reviews you can see. So it's a lot of trusted. If you want to see more videos like this, you can just follow me, subscribe me, or comment me. Okay, or if you have any issues, just comment below, or any questions. Okay, thank you. So this is really a great application. Just download it, do not miss it. Okay.